Hello, welcome to CATIA V5, and this tutorial we'll be looking at dimensions, specifically the simplest dimensions, as the dimension tool itself is absolutely huge and we would be well beyond our 5-minute cutoff point if we went through all these, and we'll be covering a few of these in a later modules. But first, let's just take the standard dimension and how to create it. So once again, make sure you have your desired view active. Click on the dimension. Notice the little tools palette appears. This controls the direction of your dimension. If we go from here to here, and there you go, there's your dimension clicked, created. There's your dimension created. Click again, click where you want to dimension from to, and then where you want to move the dimension to. So that is your basic dimensions. If you go this way, then we will be able to do it that way. And now we can click on the hole. Notice that we actually have a radius. I want the dimension, so I can right click and I can say diameter. Damn it. Okay, so I'll not do that. We can move down. We make this active view, so we can dimension this hole. I'd rather have a diameter, so I can right click, move to diameter, and we'll get a diameter. And then we click, there we like it. Right click to properties and dimension line, to 2 parts. Will give you better looking dimension. There we go. And all that is from the same. Do this with one we prefer to have a radius. Right click, radius, and there we have it. And all that is from the standard dimension icon. We can force it to pick radiuses straight away and diameters straight away. But sometimes it's just easier to pick dimension and let it do it for you, with possibly a little tweak here and there. Okay, so that is a quick basic look at dimensions.